Hi friends, welcome to this video in the Tableau playlist. So in the previous videos we discussed about hierarchies, we saw how to use labels, tooltips, we also did some coloring on our charts, and in the previous videos we created a horizontal bar chart, a vertical bar chart and a text chart. In this video let's play with some dates and see what all we can do with the dates. So currently you can see we have a date which is order date, and if I click on this drop down you can see that data type is date and you can change it to some other data type, but let's keep it as date for now and drag it to rows shelf. By dragging into rows shelf you get the years by default because it is the top level in this order date. You can see that there is a plus sign, likewise we created in hierarchy for category and subcategory. So date also has a data type also has a hierarchy by default. If you click on plus sign you will get the quarters that are there, and if you click on quarters you will get all the months, and if you click on month you will get the days for each month. But I don't require day and quarter, so I just want year and month, so let's keep it as is and play with the data. Next let's pick some, or let's remove month for now, or let's do one thing, let's remove year for now and keep month. So now let's pick our sales and put it on text, so we can see the number of sales that happened for each month respectively. Let's go to show me and click on bar chart. This shows us the horizontal bar chart, but let's click on this transpose and we will see the vertical bar chart. This is a good way to represent your data when you use vertical bar chart with the dates. So you can sort these dates according to sales, but in this case this will not make sense because we are currently working with dates and which are actually months. So months data can be seen, can be better seen if we keep it according to the month sorting. So let's keep it as is without considering the height of the bars, and let's do one thing and put sales on color so that we get a clarity on the data by just looking at the colors. Let's use orange gold. Okay, we can see now that November and December month are the most, November and December months gave us the most of the sales, and now you can see the numbers for December is 3,25,294. Let's convert them into thousands. Right click and click format, go to fields, sum of sales, click on numbers, click on custom, and display units will be thousands. So now if you hover on any of the month, you can see that we can see the numbers in thousands now. Now let's put it on the labels as well. So pick sales and put it on label. We can see the label also. Right click on it, format, go to fields, sum of sales, and change the labels formatting also. Click 1000 and yes, it is converted into thousands. So this is all we had already done. Let's learn something new now. If I want, currently we can see just the sales for each month, but what if I want to see month over month growth for the sales? So instead of sum I have to use something else to find out month on month growth. So go to this text. If I want to change this text for the percentage for month on month growth,